Hey guys! Oh, just dropped a bunch of stuff. Woo! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for an entire week and I didn't warn anybody that I was leaving for the week, so I apologize. I should be back. Who knows? No, but work was really super crazy and I just did not have time or the energy to film beforehand and then edit and then also be on top of that and, you know, be interactive. So I just kind of like took the week off and kind of like slid out quietly for a little bit, and now I'm coming back still loud as ever. But I'm back. Sorry for disappearing and not telling anybody, but it was really nice to have just a little week off and to be able to focus on work and give it my full attention without having to worry about YouTube as well. So thanks for understanding, even if you didn't notice that I was gone. So in today's video, if you couldn't tell already by the title, I am talking about July's Boxycharm. The things are rattling in there, that's why there's some noises. At this point, I already have everything on my face, but you don't know what I got in this month's box, so you don't know what I'm showing you yet. No, so if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription where you pay $21 a month and you get bukus of items, normally 5, sometimes 6 on special occasions, but they're all full-size products, generally speaking, for the most part. It's very rare if I get a, you know, travel size. Usually if it's a travel size, it's still deluxe, so it's really super awesome. That is my point. There will be a link down below if you would like to sign up for Boxycharm. I highly, highly recommend it because it is definitely the best makeup subscription box out there in my opinion, because you are getting full-size items and the items definitely, you know, pay for what you're paying for the box too. So win-win in my book. This month's theme is a road trip theme. So what they're wanting to do is give you things that are good to go on the road, you know, for a charmer on the go. I didn't make that up. They said that themselves. So if you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so the first item in this box is this. So this is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Needles No More Baggage. So it's an eye depuffing gel. Basically, after eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup for best results. Let dry in between applications. It says it's for all skin types. This retails for $42. Makes your eyes look youthful, rested, and that's it. It has peptides, botanical extracts, and you're guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. Now, I have some pretty hefty dark circles. Today, they're not as bad as they've been all week, and since this is skincare, you never really know how it's gonna work on the first try. Now, they're making pretty bold claims that you're guaranteed to see the change, so we're gonna test that out. I'm going to zoom you in and then apply this, and then I will give you a nice little after. It is orange. Was not expecting that. And I didn't put a lot on because I really don't know how much you need. But I'm going to put this on my ring fingers. It's very like thick. I'm going to put this on my ring fingers to warm it up, because when you put something around your eyes, you should be delicate as delicate as possible, and your ring fingers are like the most delicate ones. So it is like tacky kind of. Not really like to the touch, but like when I try to like glide my hands like this, it pulls at the skin. That is tingly. Don't know how I feel about that. But it is tingly, so 10 out of 10, don't recommend getting this in your eyes. Just don't do it. So we are back, and here is what my under eyes look like now. To be quite honest, I kind of think that they look a little less puffy. Also don't know if that's in my head because I'm expecting it to depuff my eyes, since that's, you know, what it's supposed to do. But as for the darkness, Really don't notice too much of a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and like put up the before and after right now. So the top is the before and the bottom is the after. You tell me in the comment section down below if you see a difference. I'm sure that editing Danielle will have an opinion that she's probably already said by now. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up honestly the majority of my makeup and then come back and use the rest of the products that are in the box, and I'll see you in a minute. So we're back. The next thing out of the box is from Note. Now, this is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. It's a lot of words to call something a blush. So this retails for $11.99. I don't know, for some reason I just think that this like packaging looks a little bit more expensive than that. I mean, not that it's a bad thing, just saying. So this Luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness. Interesting. With argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat. Perfect for the charmer on the go. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is in this shade 05, aka Desert Rose. Yep, not dessert. So then this is what it looks like. And this is the blush. Now this is really nice. The word Note is, oh honey, I'm not using this. The word Note is imprinted into the blush as well. If I could get my camera to focus, then I would show you that that's the case. This is a very pretty blush. I do like it. It's a little powdery, so we're gonna tap that off. The packaging is a little bulky for me, but there is a mirror in it, which not the biggest fan of it. I know, I'm just trying to find everything that I can to not like about it. However, it is very, very small, so you kind of gotta like, okay, yep, I can kind of see what I'm doing. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, I like this. Smells like bug spray. Maybe or might just be the argan oil. This is a very pretty color. A little bit goes a long way. It kind of like blends in with my bronzer once it's on the skin, and I don't mind. It's a very like warm, peachy blush that just brings a really nice, natural flush to the cheeks. This is by far, just after this one application, is probably one of the most favorite blushes I have. And as for the luminosity, there are actually some glitter reflex that I'm seeing in there, but it's nothing like super intense, and normally I don't like luminous blushes, but I may need to start dabbling in them because I'm here for this. Gives a really nice, just healthy look to the skin. Here's a nice little swatch of it, and it does swatch a little bit more like warm, in my opinion, than it looks in the pan. I definitely think it looks, yeah, the blush, or you can see it right here. Definitely swatches a little bit warmer than it looks in the pan, and a little bit more peachy than it looks with a brown undertone, but I am living for this blush. Next thing is this product right here. So this is from Chella Beauty. It's an eyebrow cream. So this is in the shade Taupe, and I already have opened this and don't know how I feel about it. I'm scared. This retails for $26, and it claims to last all day and night. So this right here is a brush. Right there, it's an angled brush. And then this side unscrews, and right inside of there is the eyebrow color. But I'll try it. Also, I'm not sure if that is my shade. Kind of weird to like, because you can't really tell that you're getting product on there. But you are. I'm thoroughly confused. Find my happy place. Sorry that I was a little hunched over during this, but I needed to really get a better angle, and you know, pretty sure my faces say it all with this product. Took me quite some time to figure out how to really like work the brush, because I normally don't use a brush to put on my brows, And then I thought it looked okay, but it really didn't look okay. Only complaint about this is there is no spoolie, but I mean, it's already, you know, dual ended, so where are you gonna put a spoolie? I don't know. So I do like it a little bit more once I brush it through with a spoolie, but I think I did go a little bit too heavy on my first brow. I don't know. Jury is still out on that product. Okay, so the next product is from Tarte. So the Ready Set Radiant. So this is a skin mist. We're very close to each other. Oh, got closer. So this retails for $25. It has antioxidant packed cucumber fruit and plant extract skin tonic, and it is the non-sticky mist. Oh wait, the non-sticky mist delivers a radiant dewy finish for a lit from within luminosity. So you can use it throughout the day to make your skin feel refreshed. We use it after your skincare routine to balance, tone, and boost your complex. So you could use this just on your bare skin when you're wanting it to feel just a little bit more luminous, I guess. And also you can use it as a finishing spray, which is what I'm going to use it as. As I'm shaking it up, I feel like I can see shimmers in there. Definitely smells like cucumbers and definitely has shimmers. However, the mist is very nice. So one thing I like to do is I take a beauty sponge and I will spray like half my face, and then I will set that with the sponge, spray the other half, set it with the sponge. So that's what I'm going to do now. So right off the bat, it really does not taste good, but also kind of feel like it's a little tacky, honestly, in some spots. That could be just right here, because I don't really feel that way everywhere else. But it didn't like make my makeup sink into the skin. You know, normally how a finishing spray or a setting powder setting spray would do. So I'm just going to kind of go back over it. The smell, the only thing that I worry about that is if you have sensitivity. It is very fragrant. I don't know if that's natural from the fruits and the cucumber, or if that's something that was added. It smells like very natural and definitely cucumbery, but a little bit more than that. As for the longevity of my makeup, I'm really not going to be able to tell you in this video how well it did, so just throwing that out there. And then last but not least is this product right here. So this is from Wander. That was really weird. It's from Wander Beauty. It is called Unlashed. It's their Volume and Curl Mascara. Now, originally, I thought this was from Tarte as well, just because the packaging kind of reminds me of, or maybe it's Too Faced. Whatever company has packaging that kind of looks like this. It reminds me of that company. But this is a mascara from Wander. So this retails for $24. They say it is an award-winning mascara. Black and intensely glossy. Why would you want a glossy mascara? That is beyond me, but I guess we'll find out if I like it. So they say it will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. That was parentheses. And the Unlashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. So go ahead and pop this on. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then put this on because I always must curl my lashes first. So the wand on this is curled and it's a pretty big wand. Curled, I don't know, kind of like resembles what lashes would look like. However, as for the mascara, didn't really volumize, didn't really lengthen. What else did they claim? Well, I can't tell if it strengthens or conditions them, so really not impressed right now. It's a little bit of a more watery mascara and I prefer thick mascaras. So I do think maybe now that it's been open and some air's gotten to it, that means that it could dry up a little bit, which does happen with the more watery mascaras, and that's why your more thicker mascaras just get really goopy and thick over time. So I'm willing to, you know, give this another chance once it's had a couple of weeks to kind of like dry up a little bit to see if that made it any different. I didn't mention with the luminosity of this, you know, Ready Set Radiant, it like kind of makes it look a little dewy in some areas, but not totally intense. And it's not a bunch of just shimmer all over my face like the Cover FX one that we got in the Boxycharm. So honestly, like, I don't mind the way that it makes my skin look. So that is everything for this month's Boxycharm. So after doing the math, which I haven't done yet, so really I gotta do it real quick. 26 plus 24 equals 50. 107. $118.99. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen like I always do, because I'm usually wrong. That is well over how much I paid for this box, so it totally makes it worth it. If I had to pick out a couple that I really like, I really love this blush. This is my favorite part of this box by far. If I have to pick one that, like, I don't know if it's good as a setting spray, but could be a good finishing spray, I would definitely, you know, choose this one right here because it is very pretty. And then Dr. Brandt is always a great brand. We've gotten their skincare before and it's always worked, so it's really hard to tell, you know, first impressions if skincare is going to work, so I definitely need to give that more chances before I give my honest opinion. And then these two right here, the brows and the mascara, are a little meh so far. But that is everything for this video. I hope that you like these types of videos, and if you receive a Boxycharm, leave a comment down below about some products that you've received in this month's box as well, because even though I get Boxycharm myself, I love watching everybody else's Boxycharm videos. So I want to know what you got, even if you got the same exact things as me. Sometimes there are variations, so I'm really not sure. And if you like these types of videos, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up so that I know. Please subscribe if you haven't already as well, but make sure that you also hit that notification bell, because even if you don't have that notification bell on, you will not know that I have posted if you're subscribed, and only subscribed, not notified, that I am posting. So please make sure that you hit that notification bell. But also keep in mind, I just went to my hairstylist yesterday, well 2 days ago, today's Saturday, that was Thursday, and she was like, oh well, I just saw the video that you just posted. I was like, I haven't posted a video this entire week. And honestly, she got the notification probably like a week after I freaking posted. And that is absurd. Please make sure that you don't forget to hit that notification bell. It's right beside the subscribe button. It's really easy. Please watch my videos. All my social medias are linked down below, including my blog page, and that is all that I have to say, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys! I'm a cat, I'm a cat, I'm a cat, I'm a cat. You can never do too much when it comes to your eyebrows. That's disgusting. Tarte, and it is their Ready... What? No. No! It looks okay right here. It looks crappy on camera. I look like a clown. No, you pee and poop in the house. Go lay in the spots that you pooped in. Yeah, because you had to do it in my makeup room.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I